come and do cooking classes here at Kitchen Therapy, and then I got a call and he says, is that offer still stand? And I was so excited. Hell yeah. So that's how Danny is here. We've been roommates for 2 weeks. My dogs bark at him, and we're still talking. Yeah.
The dogs are still barking.
Without further ado, I won't go on too long. We're gonna get started here. Now I have a question. Who wants tequila? What we have here is we have a little bit of the, Chef Danny has, these are real passion fruit. And I have a little bit of seeds and the actual pulp, so really concentrated passion fruit. I'm gonna put some tequila in these things, some juice in that, and then you guys figure out how to do the shot. But salud, right?
Salud, see. The passion fruit grows in where we live. And I think it makes a great cocktail or margarita, and with tequila or mezcal, because the acidity is a lot like the citrus you have in a margarita. So it's a really good complex, more complex flavor than just lime juice. Okay, well, while you do that, and then the flags I brought from Mexico. So I will start by jumping a little bit here and there before we serve the soup. The soup will be our first dish. For the soup, I did fry some tortillas. So it's corn tortillas, which you sliver. And in Mexico, they pan fry them or deep fry the tortillas. I don't like it because they're too greasy that way. So what I do is I drizzle with olive oil the slivered tortillas, corn, really important, corn. It doesn't really work with flour tortillas. And then I bake them in the oven until they're crispy. And they crisp up as well, So that's just a little technique I want to share with you. Oven bake your tortillas, don't deep fry them. Good, any questions on that?
Just a drizzle of olive oil.
Drizzle with olive oil and then mix them up like that. So it's not like covered in olive oil, just and then I've been using these pans here at the store. They're non-stick pans. I don't have these in Mexico. It's wonderful you don't need a paper, I fried all kinds of things. We're doing other things with these pans. Anyway, I recommend them. So this will be our garnish for the soup. And a little bit of avocado. The soup, obviously the soup is made because it takes time. It's like a chicken soup, basically, with ancho chili pepper. So it's a little bit spicy. None of the food is very spicy tonight, but all the food has a little bit of spice. Good. So what I'll do before we serve the soup, I want to show you the next dish with the shrimp, the prawns. It has a garnish that I call a cheese twist. So what we do, let me see here. Can you see here? Is this outside the camera? You see? Okay. So it's puff pastry. And I put all the ingredients on the puff pastry, which is a couple items that I'll share with you. One is huitlacoche. We can pass these. Huitlacoche is a mushroom that grows on corn.
Mushroom grows on corn.
Mushroom. This is the Spanish. I brought this from Mexico. We can find it fresh. It's a mushroom. But obviously here in Canada, only in a can form. And this is a herb called epazote. It's specific herb that is used a lot in black bean soup. So epazote and huitlacoche are two ingredients that are not very well known, but you can find in the Mexican store. It's called do you know the Mexican store or where we went? It's called Los Guerreros, means the warriors. Laura knows where all these places are. I just.
Where? Eh? Yeah, there's one on 56th Avenue. It's this tiny little store. I can't remember the name. Yeah, maybe it is. Yeah, and there's like a Persian place across the way. Yeah.
The Persian place is a great source as well.
Yeah.
We found the banana leaves there. We found some really, really good stuff there.
So how do you spell the herb?
Epazote. It should be on the recipe.
It is. It's the third item.
But I miss things too, right? So,
Oh, it's here. Okay.
so puff pastry rolled out. All the ingredients are on one side. And then I fold over the puff pastry. Put it here. So all the ingredients are there: epazote, goat cheese, almonds. And what I show you is a technique. You can actually do whatever you want in there, just cheese if you want. It's a technique that, and I call it a cheese twist.
Did you break the nuts down, or just put them in whole?
They're slivered.
They're slivered. Okay.
And in this recipe, just almonds. You can use pine nuts, you can use
Probably use pine nuts.
what's not on the recipe. I added that this afternoon. I added some caramelized onions. So you can play with that recipe, right? Just want to show you something exotic. This is not Mexican. This is something based on my French background with puff pastry and Mexican ingredients. So I do that a lot. It's like a fusion cuisine based on French and Italian techniques. And then living there, I tried a lot of new ingredients I was not familiar with. And then we make new things. Right? So then you make ayúdame con el huevo, por favor. So then the pastry has to be cold. I just took this out of the fridge. It's really important. If it's warm, then you can make a twist like that. Dame, sí, por favor. Dame una chance. Voy a empezar aquí. So because I lived there so long and I worked in the kitchen with people who did not speak English, I had to learn Spanish. So again, these baking sheets do not stick because puff pastry you have to use paper, right? Really important. What is? Oh, okay.
Oh no, drink your tequila. Come on, the party's now. Let's go. Would you like some wine with your tequila? Okay. Do you want some wine with your tequila?
So,
Okay. Yeah, just pour it in and
Está bien.
sí, un poco, sí. Gracias.
yeah, we're good.
Tequila is made only in the state of Jalisco, which city of Guadalajara. And when you drive through the state, you see a lot of blue agave fields. It's really wonderful.
I went to a factory in Puerto Vallarta, a tequila factory.
En Puerto Vallarta?
Right.
Yeah.
And there were all kinds of different flavors. It was
Yeah.
great.
Tequila is so popular, became so popular that a lot of other states are allowed now to grow it
Oh,
because initially it was just Jalisco. And then the popularity of the agave syrup, like, also was a factor, right? Now, it's the same initial process of fermentation, the same agave, and then they have to split the production in half, one for tequila, one for agave syrup.
So there's some unusual, unusual to me, ingredients in this here, like the cuy la coche.
Cuy la coche.
Nopal. So what are they in essence, and how strong a taste is it?
Good point. Cuy la coche is the one that passes around. It's the black.
The black.
Mushroom. All right. And that's the mushroom.
And a lot of the ingredients where we did get a lot of the ingredients was the Mexican store, but actually Thrifties. So like the passion fruit was Thrifties. Most of it was from just a local grocery store. So anything specific like the chilies was from the Mexican store. Yeah. What else did we get there?
The nopal.
Yeah, and actually the plantains were also
I'll go over the plantains in a second. Yeah. But yeah, Laura knows all these stores, thank God, because I would not know. I don't know Vancouver that well. So egg wash on these, and then in the oven. Can you help me check the oven just in case I'm busy?
Yep.
And then, until they're golden brown.
Till they're golden brown.
So we bake those. I put at 4.
The cheese for the cochita? Yes, from the Mexican store. But where did we see it before? The cochita cheese. You can use that
Cotijo cheese
or
in the
feta.
Mexican store.
Yeah.
Mexican store.
Or use feta, yeah.
It looks like feta, it's crumbly,
Yeah.
and it's feta or cotijo is about the same. Yeah. Good. It's at 450, just double.
Yeah.
Because they usually 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay, more or less.